nice people, how it's going? You'll have to see this PNG tuber just for one day. In the weekend we are gonna play games with a webcam, don't worry. I think I will still continue using it for the development streams, I don't know. But I'm not completely switching to the PNG tuber, so don't worry. For now. I just wanna see how it goes. So, we are here again on Artesio, the vanishing point. So, last time we worked on the title screen and it was a mess. So, out of stream, I did fix at least the positioning, because now by increasing the size it doesn't mess it up that much. The buttons are, took inspiration online, to put it clearly. But you can see the buttons, they have different sides when you increase the window. That's the only main difference you see. There's also a black band here we can consider fixing. But yeah, now the title screen just needs the final touches, like an object and being able to select the buttons even with a keyboard. Well, it's not possible, of course, to select buttons from the browser with a keyboard, but we can emulate that, of course. We can just make an animation when you press a button and remember where the cursor is. I wonder if we... yeah, this time we are not gonna disable the load button though. So, at least it's an extra code to not use, I suppose. Okay. So it's pretty simple. Well, not really. We are starting with this and then we are gonna see everything that's left on the game page. So, first of all, we need to be able to start the game with the buttons. We should link those to a... it's a parallel. It's a parallel, so we can do every code before and set it with a simple variable. So, first of all, we need a way to remember which option of the menu we are selecting. And would be nice here at least to default it to the continue button, as it does. Like we did in Something is Wrong with My World Map. Let's see. Should be pretty straightforward. Where is it? Here, okay. You can see there is the code. If any save file exists, we can default as the continue option. So let's go. Conditional branch. If there is a save file, it defaults to the continue option. Otherwise, to the new game. We don't have a pointer of any sort, so we are gonna use a variable for it. Let's see, maybe a variable next to those? I don't know. I kinda have everything full. We can go here, sure. So, my menu selector, here. So, let's go 1, 2, 3. Let's avoid 0. So by default it's new game. If you have a save file, it's the second option. It's only where the cursor should be. And we should highlight it every time we go to it. We should... Ooh, how Diver... I now realize the name is... Is it a problem? I only now realize. The name is similar to Dave the Diver, probably intentional. Hello there. We are making the finishing touches on the main menu. Mainly the selector with the buttons. Here, based off if there is a save file or not, we default to a different option. I was thinking a way to optimize it without needing other variables. Like, no, we can do it manually. I don't think it's such a big of a deal. So, now, we also check if the player presses a button. Mainly left, right, and the confirm button. So we have left, right, and confirm. There is no undo. We are the main menu after all. So if you press left, you go to the previous value of the menu. Otherwise, you go to the next one. Of course, you cannot go left all the time, so we need to check if you loop around. So if main menu selector is more than 3, it defaults to 1. And the same if it's 0 or less. It defaults to the other side, the Pac-Man effect, as they call it. Okay, good and all, we changed those values, but they don't mean anything, so we need to show what happens. Are you releasing a demo soon? Today! Today, probably. It's a demo of an old game, well, a game of 3-4 years ago, which I kinda want to release because it never was released in English, and I think it's such a shame. Will be a project that I may continue after my Steam game Respawn banter, but it's all uncertain in the future. The core concept, I think, needs some changes, because there's something doesn't really convince me and doesn't seem very marketable as a game, so maybe it needs some upgrades. I don't know. That's why I want to release a demo. Well, that's another reason, so I can get some feedback. Okay, so here you press left or right. We should send the player to... I think would be helpful to have a shared way to highlight a button. So, we should have here a container, I call it, because it will never happen, but we can tell still the code to run what's inside. The music is lagging. Is it fine? Yeah, okay. So my trick I want to make is like this one. I create a lab. I say the code to go towards a label. I call it the update menu. In this way, this one will only run when I call it. So, okay, here it is. And now we can run this every time we move the cursor or we choose another option. Okay, what I wanna do? Well, we need a way to show the player they are selecting something, because now I press left and right and we are selecting different options. Now option, now continue, now new game, but as you can see, you cannot see. There's no visual indication. That's why we need to move the buttons. Unfortunately, those are not in RPG Maker, they are on HTML, so it's kinda more complex to do, but it's still doable. We can get them by, where was it? Yeah, this one. You can highlight, you can first get a reference and edit them. So that's what we are gonna do. So we get all the buttons for now. Button 1, button 2, button 3. And then, based on what happened, we change them. So, what does it mean? If the value is 1, that means they highlighted new game. If it's 2, continue, and if it's 3, the option. So, based on that, based on the value number 47, we know which to highlight and which to bring down. I've been wanting to ask, should be able to check out my game sometime. Oh, sure. For sure. This is out nowhere. No, don't worry. I always appreciate playing other games. You can write me a message if you want. As always on Discord. Here on Twitter it's kinda... no, Twitch is kinda... I don't notice message in time on Twitch. So we wanna check the value number game variables number 47, if I remember correctly. And based on that, we know which part of the menu we are selecting. I think I wrote a message. Well, it could be I just have a bad memory, so... So, if you can send me a reminder, I will check after stream. Thanks. So the menu, we can call it menu value, which will have a number with between 1, 2, and 3. I wonder if... Yeah, now we need to check case by case. So if... I think we can do it smart. So, we need to call this based on the button, which is 3, 2, or 1. We could call this 3 times based on what happens, or we can call it only once, referencing a value in an array. I hope I won't get too much complicated. So, we simply save the buttons in a container in 3 arrays. Button 1, button 2, button 3. That's simple. We place a 0 at the start just to have the index right. So button 1 is index 1, button 2 index 2, button 3 index 3. This way, if we say the button number equal to the value of the menu we're selecting. So if you are selecting new game, it's 1, continue it's 2, option 3. Instead of referencing only 1, we reference the right one we need. And so that button gets highlighted. There's a problem with it, but well, first of all, the value is correct, yes. There's a problem with it, but let's see for now. Okay, option highlighted. Oh, it doesn't loop. Okay, there's more than one problem. The first problem you see is it doesn't highlight. It's always highlighted. Second, I don't get it. Something is wrong with the numbers. Oh, awesome. Welcome to the server. Yeah, I'm trying to make a custom title screen. It's very messed up because, as you can see, it's rotating. And it's not like only the map is rotating, the entire engine is rotating. If I could open the map, if I could, I don't know how to show it, but everything is rotating. The only things that are still are not in the game itself. They are on the browser. It's kinda messed up. Very messed up, actually. So first of all, I need to understand better what's not working. Second, I should call the update menu when I launch the game. Oh wait, this one loops indefinitely. Ooh. I get the problem now. This one loops indefinitely. So this one should be run only once. We can do this trick. Well, not even a trick, but we create a... We split the two parts. We have the first part. Oh, the first part. And after the first part, you run the second part. Okay, that means though the label update menu doesn't exist. I think there are better ways. Never mind, never mind. We have a better way. We just check. We use a self switch here to check if it's run or not. So if the switch is deactivated, that means we are running it for the first time. So we run it for the first time, we say that we run it, and then this one will never happen again. Okay, now should be more right. We just need the deselect option. Continue is activated. Option, why are all of them activated at once now? Oh, I get it. Because it checks my input for every frame. So if I press the button for even more than one frame, it counts as 2 presses or 3. So we need to place a cooldown. So we can go on the update menu. I think it's better on checking the presses here. I think it's fine on the update menu. Or you know what? We should change the trigger here. Instead of right is being pressed, is right is being triggered. So that means it only checks for the frame we press the button, which helps a lot. How did you even achieve that? I know, I'm a sucker for messed up code for RPG Maker. I have a code here that literally rotates the canvas on which the game is playing on. Let's see. Something like... wait, where is it? Well, yeah, I'm playing on the canvas. This one. I applied the rotation on the entire canvas of the game. I don't know why, but it works. Well, it had a lot of problems, a big headache, but the effect is nice. Okay, you can see now it selects only one at a time, but it doesn't deselect it. So here in the update menu, we should also deselect it. So before highlighting the button, we should de-highlight every other button. Or at this point, we should de-highlight every button and then highlight the one we need. It's the same. So we make a loop. We start from 1. 1 is... 1 goes from 1 to 3. I pew pew. So now in the loop, we default the value for each button. So we move it down and we change the background color. Which is the default background color? It's here. Wait, I never opened this folder, the CSS file. Where is my button? Ah, wait, wrong game. Something is wrong with my game because something is wrong with my world map game. It's so confusing. Okay, so this is the default color of the button. We can use it here as a default. Okay, let's see if this works. If the loop no, doesn't work. Okay, I tried. The input check on RPG Maker is kind of frustrating, with it being checked every frame and all. Yeah, at least there are three options. In MV there was only one option and it was even more frustrating. At least in MD there's an improvement in that scenario. Even know that rotation like that was possible. Well, the entire RPG Maker game plays on a canvas, on a browser. When you launch the game, you kinda launch an instance of a browser. And you can do a lot of stuff with it. You can also, like, place a webcam on top of it if you want. One time I placed my webcam while playing. Without streaming, so it was weird, I know. You can open browser pages, browse the web with RPG Maker. Just I don't know how to return back. Okay, what is the problem? It doesn't revert back. Why? Okay, because here it loops with the value we are selecting. Here we need to loop for each value, so we are just just resetting every button 1, 2, 3. Let's see now. Yes, almost. The button moves down, but the color doesn't change, which is weird. Why doesn't it change? I said to change the background. That's weird. It's here. Should change the color. I'm confused. RPG Maker, my favorite browser. I may want to test it right now, but I don't remember the first code to launch a browser. But yeah, who needs Opera, Chrome, Firefox anyway, when you have RPG Maker? It has potential, who knows? Maybe not. This one doesn't run, maybe it's a mistake, but it's weird. Before, I swear it worked. Maybe it can't return back. Let me check something. What if I improvise a color? Like... So this is the color I'm saying it should revert to. Let's see if we get a bright yellow instead. What happens? Can I paste here? Yes. If I set a bright yellow instead, will it work? Why is it by default? Ah, yeah, it is. Okay, it works now though, it works. I don't like the bright yellow, but maybe we can revert it back. Let's see. Let's see. So we just undo and we take those colors. I think it's pretty straightforward, right? I always say this, but it never works. I don't get it. Here. Let's see if the colors work. Yes, it works. It works. Yeah. And we press Enter. Okay, the Enter still doesn't work. We still have another problem, which is the cursor can still highlight. So if you go here, we highlight 2 buttons at once, which is kind of bad. That's where comes in handy the event listener, which tells us if something happens. And oh boy, yeah, a lot of things are happening. So for example, ooh, I hope it's fine. This, I hate repeating code, but we need to do it. I think I saw somewhere you can run RPG Maker HTML files on browser. You should take some set. Ah yeah, I heard something too, but I wasn't really interested because I can just run it in local. Maybe it was to test the browser version, but I can just upload it to Twitch on a private project maybe and test it there. But yeah, would be handy somewhere. I don't know. Sometimes. So while starting, we should define those. The event listener, which triggers something if something happens. That's simple. I wonder if we can define a function here. So I call the function reset buttons, which is pretty simple. It's literally the code we have here. Yeah, we should just take this code. Not really optimized copy and pasting, but here. So if we want to reset buttons, we just decolor each of them. We don't even need to color the last one. Okay. This is the 4. Let's make a space to remember we are inside something. that works. And we should be fine. So now I don't remember how it works, if it works well, but here when the button 1 triggers the mouse, that means when I hover with the mouse on the button 1, you trigger this function. Or we can just say the name of the function, reset buttons. Okay, let's see if it works. We don't need a mouse leave. Okay. For now, let's see if it works. I have high doubts on it, but yeah. Ah, wait, only one. Okay, it works. You see the problem though. Nothing stays highlighted later. So I wonder if we can call an event with a parameter, or if it's impossible. Var or ID. Let's see if we can call it with a value. We can? Wait, let's see. So maybe we can, when we hover with the mouse, we can send one number. That means we could technically change the menu option the game is hovering. I mean, so for example, I can say that since when you hover with a cursor, I can send the number 1 if it's the button 1. I can say, okay, that means the button 1 is now the button you're selecting, even if I go away. Oh, it works. No. Almost. I need to change the value. I need to change the value from this. Again, moving this and hovering with this should be separated. Also, I don't know why now it doesn't work. I'm very confused. For now though, we should also update the thing that we are hovering. So game variables set value. It was number 47 maybe, 57? 47 maybe. And we set it with the ID of the button we are hovering. I hope it was 47. Oh! Why did it move on new game? It defaulted to new game for some reason. Maybe that's not how you call it. Maybe that's not the right way to call event listener here. Why has to be so confused? I wanted this part to be simple so we can just go on publishing the game. Come on. So calling event parameters. Let's move it there. Cannot be this simple, right? Also, maybe I should give it more RAM. Just for the ones, okay? Ooh, it's going crazy, you know? Come on, shut up, shut up. Let's see. Ah, you send it after. Ah, okay, I forgot about it. Nice. So it's not like this. It's like this. It comes after. Okay. Now shouldn't happen anything weird. Yes, okay. Now we go here. And at least it's something different. Style. Something has no style here. It's a problem. Oh, hi Zero. Welcome. We are trying to develop a main menu. But we are having problems. Also, not a big fan of making JavaScript and HTML interact. So something doesn't have a style here. Something is wrong. Maybe the ID was not read correctly. Let's see if there is a ID that doesn't work. Oh, wait. Okay, I get the problem. ID is not a number for whatever reason. Why? On mouse enter. Var ID maybe? Well, my bad. Of course. We don't need it. This one is not a number. Why? Should be a number, right? Maybe I call it in the wrong way. So maybe no, maybe the false is another thing. I could make a global value, but that's pretty bad, honestly. A better way, maybe? So why can nothing be practical? Wait, I have an idea. That's pretty dumb, but actually it's pretty smart, never mind. So, I don't know how you send parameters by applying event listeners, but I can create a function that calls another function. Like this. Create a function that calls the other function reset buttons, sending the value 1. That's super smart. I know. Now I should send the right value, because I created a function that calls another function. Yeah. And we have the 1. And it highlights the 1 button. Okay, we are onto something. Now we need to do the same for the other buttons. Or for every other button. I think we should do it manually. And we send the correspective value. We need to define them again here. Button 1, button 2, button 3. Okay. And the same for when the mouse leaves. Okay, I think it's identical here. We can change something later if we need. Okay, now by hovering with the mouse in and out, we deselect everything else, but we update the counter. Oh. Okay, first of all, maybe we should remove the alert. It's working, we know. Maybe... Though by going away, it de-hovers. Wait, only the first one doesn't count. It's working now though, it's working. Okay, we just missed the confirmation button. But if you hover here... Oh, weird. Only new game? Weird, for the first time ever, if you hover new game, it doesn't change continue. For the first time, and then it's fine. Why? I'm confused. We can leave it as a bug, but I'm still confused. Let's see how it looks the first time you launch it. Okay, perfect. Let's see again, on option maybe. Yeah, for some reason. Maybe if you are too fast. Maybe if you are too fast? Yes. If you are fast, there's a bug. Weird. I'm confused. At least it happens only once, but I don't get it. Ah, I forgot I had the 60 frames wait. Okay, that was the bug. A manual wait in the code. Okay, the last thing now is, when you press the OK button, what happens? Well, it's simple. We run the main menu choice based on what happens. So if it's the first one, it's new game, second one continue, third one it's option. And it's pretty basic, it runs after we set the variable to the number. So it's simple, we set the value number 9, we set the variable number 9 as identical to the variable of the menu we are hovering. Let's see. Should be pretty straightforward. Enter and continue is working. Option, it's working. New game, of course working. Okay. If you hover and then press enter, it's option. Nice. Left, left, right, here. Wait, there might be a bug if I hover here and press right. Yeah. Still it's a little weird, but it's reasonable, right? We have a cursor while we select other options. Still weird though. Maybe... Well, I don't know how to fix it, so... I think makes sense if you hover and move the cursor. Come on, you are looking for it. Doesn't break anything anyways, so it's fine. Okay. I know how the buttons work. You load and it's fine. Nice. So. Last thing maybe is we need to decorate this thing, this place. It's pretty empty. And the point is... Wait, I can just do something like this. The point is, if I add something, you can see later that by rotating it creates a problem. It's a weird perspective. We could add something in a place or another. A random decoration, I don't know. Something... oh, wait. Title screen. We want to consider what we want to put on it. Because we don't need dungeon stuff, right? We need science fiction stuff. Let's see for now if those work. So do we want to put anything here that can withstand the rotation? Well, not necessarily. We can just rotate it as an event. First time I see those stairs. What else do we have? I want to put, I don't know, we still have one character to put here, so... The chair... Can it withstand a rotation, a chair, or does it look weird? I think that the chair can rotate. I don't think it's a problem. It's pretty fine, right? The effect is a little weird, but I think it works. Yes. We can have that. It's a little weird though, I have to admit. Do we get a better carpet, now that I think about it? A decent carpet anywhere? Wait, we don't have a carpet for the science fiction? That's a scam, if I ever saw one. We have no carpet. How am I supposed to live like this? Oh well, we're gonna see later. I have to use the carpet because that's the best floor I can manage to use here. The others look just weird. I could add these to the sides. But first, well, it can look nice, but when it, after rotation, it just looks weird. So, or we update it, or at this point, we roll with it. It's a demo of a very polished prototype, so we can afford not to have something looking the best. So I'm just looking for something to place on the ground. There's not a lot though. Some scientific stuff here. This stuff would be nice. We need to rotate it though, but it's fine. Some plants. We need some more scientific stuff. Plants are not scientific enough, I'm sorry. One can work though. This hole on the ground probably might help. Should be for the wall, but that's what we have now. Broken stuff on the ground might work. This stuff, okay, this one. No, it's fine. Those things should be above the player. Still, it's kinda weird. Let's see if we can find something better, like outside B. Do we have anything decent? Maybe a tank. Do we need to place a tank somewhere, or? No, I don't see anything of use here. Also, some of those are the same. Something very scientific. Maybe here? No. We can place a grate though. How it's called? A vent, yeah. We have some of those. Yeah, I don't think we need anything else, but just to be sure. We should at least change this one. So we have something slightly more futuristic at least to choose from. Like something here. Anything to decorate the main map, really. Oh, I like this one because it can show the stars below. It's kinda random, the positioning though. I want to make it a little more reasoned. Like the plant should be at least here. Wait, no, not on the top, because there's a weird effect when it rotates that the anchor point of the rotation is weird. So maybe not on the top. We'll see. That's just one of the few things I wanted. The rest is fine. Something more technological though, is it possible? Or I'm asking for too much? Well, we can have this one here. And that's it. I don't think we have anything else. Yes. Yeah, unfortunately we have no walls to decorate, so that's the best we can do. Oh, damn it. This one needs to be here. Even in the corner, okay. A little better. Let's see now. Oh, there's gonna be a problem, but for now, let's see. Yeah, we need to make some of those items rotate with the rest. Others doesn't need to rotate though. Okay, we need to create a character for those though. At this point, we can make a single sprite sheet or character sheet. After that though, we may be done. May. We just need to work on the game page. And then we might finally publish the game. I really want to publish this demo and another demo before April, because there's gonna be a game that kinda require, or kinda has something to do with those characters, so it's best if players get to know them before. Okay, so 4 columns and 2 rows. Here we are. We need quadruple copy for each, because I changed the code of the game to, well, make the characters in the right orientation. And this affects even objects, made like sprites at least. So, we need... what do we need? I forgot. Let's open all of them. So we need... nothing here probably. We need the plant, the most alien one. Perfect. So, alien plant, here. On the bottom or... well, I think here works. We need quadruple layer as always, so down 96. Duplicate, and now... how was it? 96? Okay, perfect. Now we have the plant. We need a bunch of other objects as well. Let's see. It is, okay. I was looking for you. Mr. Computer on a wheelchair. Don't run. Okay. Even the computer is fine. If I was in the Sam and Max neighborhood, this machine could talk. Luckily, we are pretty safe here. Okay, and this one is here as well. We may need one more item, right? Which was it? Oh yeah, those things, whatever it is. And even this one, at this point. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's here. Yes, hello. Unfortunately, there are not a lot of items that scream alien ship in those places, but those are the best I can do. Is it pixel perfect? Yes, okay. Okay, Mr. Last Guy. Prepare for trouble. And make it double! Oh, I said it. Why not make it quadruple? Okay. And since we are here, we should take the last piece. This one, right? Whatever this is. Whatever this is, yeah. Let's place it below the crystal, okay. Oh wait, no, still needs to go double space. Okay, after this we are done with the art. Or art, whatever graphical needs to be here. Okay, the crystal... oh wait, we need to change the name completely. Random objects with exclamation, so they will stack on the bottom layer. Okay. So we need to change the crystal into the random object of the crystal. And place others for the other objects. So we have... let me copy. Wait, I didn't copy, right? Ah, copy paste. Object number 2. Then object number 3. The plant. The gang is almost ready. Object number 4. The whatever this is. In double. And object number 5. I hope it works. The scrap. We need to remove the default, the basic ones. Okay. And last step, we need to force them to rotate. This is a long code because it's kinda hard coded for each of them, but not really a problem. What's the number here? From 11 to 15, easy. All of them. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This could have been done better, but as long as it works, as they say. And now they rotate, yes! That's kinda weird effect. Gives a little too much 3D effect. Also, Oria is going below that thing, which shouldn't be below. But as long as it works, kind of almost feels 3D, even if it's not. They are going above Coots though, but I don't think it's a problem. One last touch we can add an extra character that is Steel. And of course, it's our Fenner. Which doesn't appear only appears after the credits in the demo, because I wanted to show every character. Even if you don't play, we don't play. Up until that point. How do they call it? Fenner was it? It's not here. Fenner? Maybe it's here. I swear, Fenner is gone. Went on vacation and will never come back. Where are you, Fenner? Fenner. Come on. Ah, okay, here, Mr. Fenner. I don't know why it's here, but... Okay, should be facing left. And is still. And is looking at a computer. Can we find the most plain looking computer that doesn't rotate, please? A tablet works fine, okay. And now, oh wait, we forgot to make Fenner rotate. Fenner is number 16, so as always, we add it to the list. Okay, now everything rotates. Even my mind. I like the final effect it gives. Artisan though shouldn't walk on the edge there. I should add some walls, invisible walls to the edge. Let's go. This also should start something like here. Okay, some invisible walls there and there. Easy, okay. Okay, I think it works fine. Last thing, this one, I can remove it at this point, okay. I may want to add something there to decorate. Just something on the ground. Something simple. Like this. That's kinda weird though. We can add another of those maybe. Oh. I think it's fine. Gives a weird 3D vibe. Maybe Kutz is too fast. If I make him slower, maybe. Okay, okay. It's kind of more relaxing as the vibe. Kinda. I still don't like how Kutz walks on them. I should add other invisible walls there. Or you know what? I should... Let's see. This is empty, so I can make a fake, an invisible block here. And use it to cover that section. Kutz can walk on top of everything, so it's fine. He won't be affected. The other character will be. Now they cannot walk on that. Just to start, I will place Artisio on a more visible place here. Okay, that's better. Maybe we don't need this one. We may place one here. Okay. So there's walkable space even here. One more thing I wanted. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, maybe Hollandia we can place, but she's not here. She might. We may want to place her on a very far tile, but it's fine. Okay, I think it's done. The title screen is this one for now. I think it has its charm. There's still a black band here appearing, which is from the bottom, so we can just extend the rendering for a little, by a little. No, not this one, the other one. So let's extend the rendering, let's see, from Y, +1, here. Maybe now? Not this one. Okay. Let's see from the corner. Maybe it's fine now. I suppose it's fine. I don't see it. Awesome. Awesome. It works. Perfect. Okay, I'm enjoying it a lot. Wow. This is such a mess, but the result is pretty outstanding. I don't like that a character in front of the other appears below though, but that's the best I can do, I suppose. There are ways, but it's fine like this. It's kinda clickbaity because it's not a 3D game, but it's the title screen, so I think I may want something fancier here. Yes. Okay, we have it. I'm so happy with this. Okay, now. I don't know. Is there something I need to do apart from being very happy? Yes. Publish the game, maybe. Good point, Waldorf. Good point. Okay, so. Yeah, you can see, right. Here it is, Artisio. So, as you can see, I already did the first part of the game page, but you can see the title screen is this one, which is the old version. We need an image for the title screen. We could take this one. Without cropping the Artisio head, maybe. One frame more, some more frames. Perfect. Okay, perfect. I don't know. I don't like the final rotation. Here, this one, just slightly rotated. This one looks fine. Let's just crop it like this, maybe. I don't like showing the continue on the menu, though. We can remove them just for the screenshot. Or we can just have a recording. We can use a GIF. Well, this for that maybe later. For now, we have it. So for now, we are not restoring the. For now, we are not showing the buttons. Wait, we need to show the title though. Let's do like this. Okay. The buttons will not appear now. We use only the title. Okay. That's pretty fine. Something more, some more. Maybe we can get it when it's rotated the other side. No, I don't like that Artisio is covered. When is the right moment? Artisio is not moving. What the hell? Artisio, get a grip of yourself. Now. No, they are moving, right? Now, no. We need some more diagonal perspective. This one looks fine. You can have this one. Let's see now if this one works. So. Let's replace. And this one. We need something more squared, right? We should have zoomed it. Wait. We should have something more zoomed. What is the resolution? 630, 500. I think it's more than that. $630, let's see. Oh, so close. Well, we can just crop apart Bill. No, we should crop the side. And see now what we can get. I need to have. I should save the Artesio extra folder here. Okay, so I can access now. I can access it when I want, when I need, when I care. Okay. Let's see if this one. No, I opened the wrong one. Ah, close. Thanks. That's way better. Maybe it's cropping a little the top side, so maybe I should crop the bottom. As a JPG. Okay. This one will be better, I know. Okay. There could be better ones, but I should make a gift out of it. For now, we have something that works. I really want to make it a GIF. But later. Now we need screenshots. And we need a good page. Which we don't have. So here a GIF for the rotation. Here I need a way to write gameplay, something fancy. Let's see if we can do something from this. We can just crop this and write story instead. Let's make it a copy. Fancy text here. So can we just cut the stuff below like a circle? Let's see. First, we don't need those. No, those. And the last one. Why the is with them? Go away. Now way to cut the stuff below. We can use the line here. We just move it up. Okay. Not symmetric, that's kinda annoying, but my bad. Okay, we can use this and delete the rest. I said delete. One step higher, maybe? Okay. And we delete the stuff below. We can do this? Yes, okay. Just a quick random way to present our incredible story. Here, cut. Okay. Maybe we should have a background just to check, because it always happens that there is an extra color that comes out. It's not that noticeable though. At least that's it. There's... Yeah, that's not noticeable at all. Okay. There's also extra lines. No worry, we can just delete them right as they came. Can you just delete? Okay. Okay, so this is just to have an extra title on the page. I'm showing you what I mean. So instead of Artisio, we can write whatever we want. Except this is not editable anymore. Let me try again. Let me try again. I said not this. I don't need the vanishing point. The vanishing point can vanish as long as I care. Okay. So we can now align this however we want. And write like a gameplay, story, whatever. Maybe we can also change a little the gradient fill. Because... I don't know. I think it was fine. Okay. So, now we write story. Oh wait, the borders are not optimized for this. Just a little problem, nothing personal. We can just... Well, first we should cover it. With a pencil, okay. And clean the borders, yes. Not the best way, but it works. There's something weird. And it's not with my world map. There's a point here that doesn't disappear. Sus. Okay. It was Sus indeed. Ha. Same with... there's something Sus here too. Why is it everything has to be Sus here? I don't get it. Where was it? Here. I suppose that's pretty fine. Okay. Also, it will be shrunk down significantly, but for now, I think you can still notice that there's something wrong, and not with my world map. Okay, the most is solved. Maybe the last corner. And then we are done, probably. Oh, good Final Fantasy VII music, right? Okay, I think the deed is done. And we can now say story in this incredible way. Let's see. First we should crop it, I suppose. Crop it better. Let's see. Okay, can we... Is it fine or... Probably not, but we can extend it now. So... 40, 30 and a little higher. I think we are fine here. Yes, okay. Now I realize this thing is not aligned at all. That's kinda ugly. Yeah, oops. This is not symmetric. The title screen is not symmetric. It's pretty annoying. Oh well. Well, we still can rotate it. Where are you going? So this goes here. Wait, why does it change? Because it's part of a group, okay. We make this one a group too. And we just join these two groups. Okay, perfect. We just rotate it now. Not the best look, but that's the best we can manage. Okay, and since we are here, we can crop the last part. The best I can manage. Let's go. Story. Then we should write the rest. Maybe I should shrink it down because it's too big. Or maybe it's right, I don't know. Story and gameplay. Yeah, this is a little too big. Okay. That's fine. Air. A little bigger. Okay. And we have it. For now, let's go with those two. Hoping they are not too big. Also, we should look for a better font. Okay, so. Picture. Let's go with gameplay. Okay, looks normal. Now with story. And later if we can think about the last one. Let's see. Yeah, looks perfect. Well, I wouldn't say perfect, but looks decent. Decent enough. I may want to add an extra picture here. Also, I think the screenshots just add a lot. So we can look for them now. Okay, time to take screenshots then. We are into a screenshot adventure. Oh, I forgot the buttons. I will record the GIF later then. Technically, you can even start without buttons though. New game. We don't need a new game, right? We can start from here. Oh, there's a bug in that column. But maybe it's different because maybe I already fixed it. Unfortunately, if I... Oh, is it me or it's lagging a little? Well, I should consider reducing the extended field of view when you are inside a game and not in the main title screen. Does this work now? Let's see. No? Okay, I should add it. I'm pretty sure I did something for it. Something here. I'll remove the frame rate though. So we can do something rough as this. It's not a Steam game. We can. Okay. We have one. So what I want to show the rotation. We need a GIF for it. Also, I want to showcase just a little of story, maybe, I don't know. Also, we are missing this one. I want extra dialogue with Gina, so we can see if we can manage that. Maybe in a better point of view, because this one kinda sucks. I also want to showcase the option to rotate. And hello, Gina. Not. I'm looking for a head dialogue with a better one. I think this one can be a good screenshot though. Well, come on, since we are here. I don't like to crop the dialogue window, so we can do it more carefully here. Okay, we already have two screenshots on the bottom floor. So let's move to the next one. There's the introduction with Kutz here, but we can skip it and go with the Oria. Oh, that's not how I should look. Here. Wait, next save file. Do you have the card now? Okay, nice. I forgot. There's already there's the thing we did to skip the cutscene. Now we can continue as normal. Okay, we don't need the label anymore. Let's go. So here's the scene. Come on. Door open. Better dialogue here. I don't like that the dialogue is keeping a line here. Unfortunately, it's Visu still a bug. This one is kinda cheesy, but we can try this one. Let's see if the rotation works. Yeah, again, if we didn't broke it in any way or form. It's fine. I think this could be fine. Now, we can get a screenshot for the rotation and one for the final fight. Oh, hi Willard. Is this a spawn banter? No, this is Artisio. A demo of an old game I made a bunch of years ago. And I'm ready to publish it today, maybe? Respawn Banter is developed on, well... One stream is for Respawn Banter, the other for an extra project. Since the demo was kinda ready, I just wanted to add some touches to have it published in this way or... in this way. Now we are just taking the screenshots for the Steam page. No, not Steam, for the itch.io, it's a free demo. I don't know how to go with it. Unfortunately, the tiles are not completely loaded. Let's see if we can still do something for it. Like if we go forcibly here, if it doesn't bug. Please don't. Yeah, I suppose. Oh, even this button is different now. That's pretty cool, the button now. Yeah, my bad. We can just make that the scene doesn't run. For this time, the scene doesn't run. Later we will make it run, but not now. Let me load the right save file though. 5, okay, let's go. Hello Oria, give me a moment. I'm changing map. Okay, no cutscene here. And now the map is loaded correctly, okay. Let's see if I can trigger the boss fight without bugs. I suppose I can, let's go. Also, where is the right screenshot to take? I suppose... No, maybe... No. He chasing me somewhere with spikes, maybe. Would be pretty nice. I should look for another rotation. Here. That's pretty a bad spot. Let's take some damage for saying... To show it's a match in progress, you can say. Okay, this one is fine here. I think could be better. Let's go elsewhere. I don't know. This one looks nice. Let me take a screenshot. Yes, let's go. This one looks fine. I said screenshot. Okay. And we need one more to showcase the mechanic of rotation. First, let me reactivate this event. Okay. One last one. I think we just need 4 or 5. How many are there? In the second floor. So, where do we rotate? This one? It's fine because... No, we are near there's a wall above. I want to show... The map is not even updated, wait. Here. Can I fix it? I didn't... Did I fix the music going downwards? Why doesn't it work? I'm loading a previous music. No, that's wrong. This music doesn't exist anymore. Yeah, it's the game about perspective. I didn't really talk much about it. Maybe I should have. But yeah, I really want to publish it even because there's a game for April Fools that references it in a way or another. So that's one extra reason. So which is the music for this area? Unfortunately, it doesn't run by default, but it's here. Okay, this one. So if I go down, I can play this music. Nice. Okay, nice. I found a bug which I didn't found before. So up. Come on, why does not the plant disappear? Let's do like this. We make it run again. Okay, once again, the plants disappeared. I should save, maybe? Nah, it's fine. And we want to showcase the rotation, if there is a nice spot for it. This one. It's too close to the other one. For now, let's see in another point of view. It depends on the point of... Oh! I should also take new screenshots of the maps. I forgot. I did it in the first floor, not the second one. Also, there's a bug here. There's more than one. Okay. There may be more things to be fixed. First, though, this thing should be moved. Okay. That's better. Also, they should body block. They should have collision, which they have not. Okay. Let's hope the rest is fine. Is there a good rotation point somewhere around here? Not really. Let's continue looking. This one? Wasn't there a decoration on the floor? I don't know. I want a screenshot that says rotate somewhere. Last rotation we can check. There's only one rotation point here. Ah no, there's the 180 there. We could use that, but this is better, right? That's a pretty lame screenshot, never mind. Those areas are not the best. Sure, I will use the one above at this point. There are some areas that need a decoration, but as a demo I think we can go with this. Why the hell does this... Wait, maybe... Let me see. Where is it? What is the thing? Here. Maybe it's not even... it doesn't have the tag, okay. It needs to have the tag, 1 on the bottom tile and 2 on the upper tile. Otherwise, it doesn't rotate. So, it's a bug. Okay, if I relaunch the game though, should be fine. Have a long safe fight. Okay. Everything is in place. Let's take a screenshot. Should it be... I think it's fine. That's my screenshot. Let's go. Okay. We have enough screenshots now. We have 5. And I want a GIF. So, width 816. And the rest, I don't know. How tall is it, the game? 624. Okay. So we move everything one tile down, 1 pixel down, and it's perfect. Awesome. So we have screen 1, not PNG, wait. Screen 1. Then screen 2. And yeah, all of them at this point. Screen 3. And last one. I wanted to show a mix of exploration, well, mostly gameplay and a bunch of dialogues. Okay, we have all of them. So screen 1. I can select more than one, right? Yes, let's go. Okay, screenshots are ready. Priority. So only the first 2 are shown. I will go with this one. And this one to rotate. I think it's fine. As a third one, the boss fight. Okay. Just to showcase a different scenario. Okay. I think it works pretty fine. Now, we may want to improve the presentation here. I don't know how. Some extra images. I want a GIF here. Making a GIF is not easy though. I did, but once or twice, but that's not what I want. Actually, I could use a website, yeah, to convert it. Well, for now, let's see. Oh, screenshots are not showing. Sidebar here, they will. Oh, they need always to show, you know. Okay. Yes, yes. The background cuts below. I want to make it bigger. So, Mr. Artisio. Let's increase the parallax, okay? I wonder if we can do something with this to extend it. Let's see. Why the hell are you white? Listen, let's do it in a new image. So I want to see if I can extend it indefinitely. No. How many things do I have open? Wow. Can I... No, wait. Cross select. Can I do something like this? Not the most elegant, of course, but maybe if we flip it, maybe. Okay, this is kinda better. Kinda, very kinda. Could be worse, as I said. Could be worse. If we rotate it again, should match. Yeah, oh, wait, it's not that bad, honestly. Come on. That's not that bad. Okay, we can stop here, maybe. Even if, technically, we can repeat it indefinitely. I think we can repeat it once more. Just to have a scrolling game page, you know. So if we move it below, one more. Why not one more? We should go down longer, right? Okay, we can do it. We can do this. Page background. And we save it as a JPEG. Okay, let me change it. And we have the... does it have to be a... Wait. Where did I save it? Ah, wrong... wrong folder. We should remove it because it's not that big actually, but... we don't need to use extra space. It's going longer than needed. Okay, nice. I hope it doesn't take a lot to load. Oh wait, there's a maximum size. Okay. So let's take the maximum height then. To 160. Okay. Sounds easy enough. Ah, wrong folder this time. I realized. I realized. Okay. Now we are fine. We have the right one. Let's go! And it's all fixed. And now we can scroll. Ah. It's not long enough. That's a shame. I really wanted to make the player scroll it, but... that's sad. Oh well. At least if you zoom out. I don't know. I would have been better if it could repeat, but it's fine. Okay, I think we took too much time than needed for fixing the background, but it's there. Now. Maybe the font. I think I can make the text bigger. Here. There's not a lot of text, so we can emphasize it by making it bigger. About the font, I don't really know. This one is pretty fine. Okay. Is there anything else? We should publish the updated version to the game. Before it, there is one extra thing I need to fix. About the story, maybe? There is a dialogue that doesn't appear. It's not appearing correctly. Should be right here on the save file. Prison last puzzle. It doesn't appear. Okay. Okay, we need to translate this one. And it should be ready. Stuck in wall. Okay, right there. Okay, oof. Maybe I can translate it off stream. It's not a lot though. It needs a last fix though. Okay, let's see if everything is ready otherwise. I will probably do a last test after the stream and then publish it right ahead. I want to be sure that everything is fine though. The browser version is pretty old. Still has the old title screen. Also, I should remember to lower the main volume, because it's always loud. Okay, do we need to change anything else? Most of it seems pretty fine. The story of it. I should emphasize it's a demo. Okay, it's written, nice. Do we need anything else? I think everything is set in place, so we can just end the stream. I will run the last test, the last translation, and should be fine. Embedding page. Yeah, everything seems to work. I need to say something about the Polish prototype. I think everything works. Okay, so I will press the publish button just until I finish those last two things. We are not gonna have a trailer, unfortunately, but that's what we are gonna roll with. I also want to try to make a rotating GIF of the title screen. We could try it. I can try it. So, after the... I think we did a lot. Do we need anything else? Yeah, visibility. To spam it to other streamers. Nah, it's fine. Oh, wait, the release status is wrong. I would call it a proto... should be a... on hold. I will call it on hold. I will probably or most surely continue it after a spawn banter and see which direction I can take. Because this one is fine, but I don't know. I think it could be way better. At least the story and art direction, usually. And the puzzle direction, I suppose. The gameplay is this one. Can be presented in other ways. So, stay tuned, because in just 1 or 2 hours it will probably release. Okay. After this, I think we covered most of it. So, thanks a lot for coming by. This game will be released after the 2 checks. And in the meantime, we could rate someone. Who knows? I will see. If we have enough raid power, we could raid... we have... we could raid Megami. If the stream is safe at the moment. Yeah, it is nice. So, let's see if we have enough raid power and we can end the stream. That's everything for today. Thanks a lot for coming by. Please join the Discord to stay updated and on the release of the game. Just follow on each, so it will be released like today, like literally today. And next week we are gonna have 1 or 2 less streams, so please check the paratable. We will see each other again with the webcam on Saturday for 7 Max. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see ya whenever happens. I'm trying to make the grid, but I can't with a PNG tuber, so pretend I did. Bye bye!